Dhaka Assalamualaikum, Bangladesh 349.
Bangladesh 349 Dhaka ground, Walaikum Assalam, go ahead.
First ATC clearance, Bangladesh 349.
Bangladesh 349 clear to destination, equal 1 Alpha departure, level initially 260, squawk 4711.
Clear to destination, seat equal to 1 Alpha, fly level 260, initially level change in route, squawk 4711. We're on 10-8, fully ready for push and start.
Liner, dispatch correct and start and pushback approved, temperature 29, time 30, push to face south.
Clear for push and start, facing south, Bangladesh 349.
Bangladesh 349 will you take how many times to start your pushback?
Sir, we have already started our pushback, Bangladesh 349.
Bangladesh 349 continue, facing south to exit via Charlie.
Continue facing south, exit via Charlie, Bangladesh 349. Ground Bangladesh 349, request taxi.
Bangladesh 349 taxi via Charlie, November 2, holding point runway 14, QNH 1011.
Charlie, November 2, runway holding point 14, QNH 1011, Bangladesh 349.
Bangladesh 349 contact Dhaka Tower 11813, good day.
3, good day, Bangladesh 349. Dhaka Tower, Assalamualaikum, Bangladesh 349 are with you.
Bangladesh 349 Dhaka Tower, Walaikum Assalam, line up 114, report ready for departure.
Line up runway 14, call you ready for departure, Bangladesh 349. Ready for departure, runway 14, Bangladesh 349.
Bangladesh 349 cancel seat after departure, proceed on radial 215 Delta Alpha Charlie, initially 3000 feet. Surface in 250 degrees, 06 knots, and 14, clear for takeoff.
After departure, on radial 215 clear to climb, altitude 3000 feet, clear for takeoff, runway 14, Bangladesh 349. Bangladesh 349 request subject climb.
Bangladesh 349 confirm establish schedule 215.
Establish radial 215 Bangladesh 349.
Bangladesh 349 okay, reclaim flight level 260.
Reclaim flight level 260 Bangladesh 349.